Hey, hi, yo, what's up? Oh, I forgot to pause it. Whoops. Season 4, Episode 3. It's almost 3 o'clock. I should probably get to bed. That's kind of what this video is for. So, um, um, I wanted to say, oh god, I had something to say. I forgot what I was gonna say now. Um, oh, I remember one of them. I, was going to update my laptop to Windows 10 and it just now got finished. Like, I started that forever ago and it's just now getting finished. Um, mm. So that's part of the reason why I'm still up. And the other reason is I found out that there were some of my videos that were kept private that weren't public, and I'm a little confused because it kept rotating. It kept going from from private, private, public, 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 and then the three that I posted today were all private. All three of them. Technically four, but still though. And I don't get it. I guess I just missed it. That's all. Oh well. At least it's proof that I actually did a lot today. That's the part I'm happy about. So. Oh. Mm, let's see. Me and my dad had a fun talk about um, a mean person on something he's watching called Hell on Wheels. He told me about a Mormon who gave up his son for his life, and yeah, I told him to let me know when the person dies so that way we can rewind it and laugh in his face. Well, yeah. I'm tired. I'm gonna press play in my show again. And I'm gonna lay down. Because it's finally done. It's finally done. She's so cute. So adorable. Okay, so I will see you later.